Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the new Apple Watch Series 4 and a size comparison to my old Apple Watch, the Series 1. So let's check it out. So here we are, from the front and the back. I ordered the gold aluminum version in 44 millimeters and with GPS and LTE. So there it is, GPS and cell. So they sent me the right one, and yeah, let's open it. Okay, why not? Apple, yeah. Maybe if you opened some of the Apple stuff, sometimes it's very hard, so they made it a little easier. I think this is going to be, it's going to go up here. Nice. That's pretty nice. Oh, that's pretty. What a nice package. What a nice package. It's pretty beautiful. Nice mechanism. So here we go. I don't know, maybe the gold Apple Watch in my case is black. On the black one, I don't know. Or maybe it's always the same photo, but it's a little 3D printed here. And here we are, this is the band. I ordered the rosé, the rosé one, but the wooden band and rosé, but yeah, there was no other choice because I ordered the gold. I wanted to have the gold watch, so I had to stick with the rosé rubber band or this wooden strap. So the wooden strap looks more like usable for me than the pink or rosé rubber strap. Let's go to the watch. So, here we go. Nothing inside here. Here we go, here's the watch, and this is the documentation, the instruction manual, and yeah. So first of all, how do I attach my watch to the phone? How do I pair it? Swipe up for control center, push harder on the display for force touch, or haptic touch. Digital crown, turning the digital crown, and the side buttons. Double click for Apple Pay, and so on. Yes, okay, and this is the warranty stuff. No stickers. Very sad, I never used them. Did not change in comparison to the other ones. So you can use the old ones to charge your Apple Watch, that's cool. So, and here we are. This is the new Series 4 Apple Watch. It has a nice, soft, a little soft case around it. So let's put it out. Here we go. So you now see the nice rounded edges very well here on the display. It's way more round all in all impression than Series 0 to Series 3. There we have the new crown. I'll check the tactic feedback later. Just the red ring left instead of a big red dot. The button feels the same. Here we have the nice speakers. On the other side is the microphone. This is the most important part, of course. The new Series 4, it looks crazy. It looks so phenomenal in comparison to the old one. We can put the old one next to it. Here are the new ECG sensors for the electrocardiogram, and of course the updated pulse sensor. It has a really nice shiny back, so let's compare it to the old one. It looks so improved, especially because of just one single light in the middle of it instead of 4. The Series 1 looks ancient against the new Series 4. Here's the direct size comparison. The Series 4 is a little higher, a little bigger, if you can see it, but all the old straps should fit, so you don't need to buy any new straps. That's really good, so you can keep your old ones. There you see the next change. Here are the speakers, and they changed side by side, and they should be louder. The back we saw already, shiny back. It has iron-acted glass here and a ceramic case. So the iron-acted glass is in the aluminum versions, as in the old Series 1 and 2 and 3. If you buy the stainless steel version, you get sapphire glass. So that's it. Looks beautiful. This is my old band. This is my old strap. It fits. And now put it on. Looks great. Here they are, side by side on my arm. Yeah. As you can see, the gold tone really has changed. It's not like real gold, shiny yellow gold anymore. It's more rosé gold. I like it, but it definitely has changed the color. You can see it right here. Yeah, but all in all, I really like it. It's beautiful. If you like that unboxing, please subscribe to my channel and see you then.